Welcome back, everyone. It's a pleasure to have you here on my channel once again. Today, I have a special treat for you as I unveil my top 5 picks for the absolute best oil filter available on the online market. When it comes to maintaining the performance and longevity of your vehicle's engine, regular oil changes with a high-quality oil filter are essential. These remarkable products have undergone extensive research and testing, ensuring that only the finest options make it to this coveted list. Whether you're seeking unrivaled quality or exceptional value for your hard-earned money, rest assured, I've got you covered. Join me in this video where I'll provide an in-depth analysis of each product, highlighting their unique strengths and potential drawbacks. By the end, you'll have all the information you need to make a well-informed decision. Regardless of whether you're an experienced enthusiast or new to the game, there's something here to pique your interest. Without further ado, let's dive right into the highly anticipated top 5 selection. Number 1. Set of 3 genuine OEM engine oil filter. When it comes to critical components like oil filters and drain plug gaskets, using genuine OEM parts is crucial. This guarantees that the parts meet the manufacturer's strict quality standards, offering reliability and peace of mind. It effectively traps contaminants such as dirt, metal particles, and sludge, preventing them from circulating through your engine. With cleaner oil, your vehicle's engine can perform optimally, reducing the risk of premature wear and improving overall performance. With their precise fit and compatibility, these parts can be effortlessly replaced during routine oil changes. This saves you time and effort, allowing for hassle-free maintenance, while ensuring that your vehicle is always operating at its best. While genuine OEM parts may have a slightly higher initial cost compared to aftermarket alternatives, they offer long-term cost-effectiveness. Number 2. Simply Aluminum Engine Oil Cooler and Oil Filter. This engine oil cooler features an upgraded aluminum construction, which significantly improves heat dissipation capabilities. By effectively regulating the temperature of the engine oil, this cooler ensures that your vehicle's engine operates within the recommended temperature range, reducing the risk of overheating and potential engine damage. Equipped with an oil filter housing and sensor assembly, the simply upgraded engine oil cooler helps maintain clean oil circulation throughout the engine. This filtration system effectively captures contaminants such as dirt, debris, and metal particles, preventing them from reaching critical engine components. By keeping the oil clean, this cooler enhances engine protection and prolongs the lifespan of vital engine parts. With its compatibility, you can trust that this cooler is designed to meet the exact specifications of your vehicle, allowing for a hassle-free installation process. Its robust construction provides durability and longevity, ensuring that it can effectively perform its cooling function for an extended period. With this cooler, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing that it will reliably protect your engine for years to come. Number 3. Set of 3 genuine OEM engine oil filter and drain plug. The engine oil filter in this set offers superior filtration efficiency. It effectively captures contaminants, including dirt, debris, and metal particles, preventing them from circulating through the engine. By keeping the oil clean, this filter enhances engine protection, reduces wear on critical components, and contributes to the overall longevity of your Nissan or Infiniti vehicle. The included drain plug is a crucial component for effective oil drainage during oil changes. The drain plug 4STED motors ensures a secure and reliable seal, preventing oil leaks and ensuring that the engine retains the proper oil level. With its compatibility and high-quality construction, this drain plug provides peace of mind during routine maintenance. The clean oil resulting from the efficient filtration system promotes smooth lubrication, reducing friction and enhancing the overall efficiency of the engine. Number 4. Fram Ultra-Synthetic Oil Filter. The Fram Ultra-Synthetic XG5 oil filter utilizes advanced filtration technology to effectively capture and trap microscopic contaminants, including dirt, debris, and metal particles. This superior filtration ensures that only clean oil circulates through your engine, providing optimum protection for vital engine components and minimizing engine wear over time. One of the standout features of the Fram Ultra-Synthetic XG5 oil filter is its extended change interval of up to 20,000 miles. This extended service life not only offers convenience but also translates into cost savings by reducing the frequency of oil filter replacements. With this oil filter, you can enjoy fewer maintenance intervals while still maintaining optimal engine performance and protection. This durability makes the Fram Ultra-Synthetic XG5 a trusted choice for drivers who value long-lasting and dependable filtration. Number 5. K&N Premium Oil Filter. This premium oil filter utilizes advanced filtration technology to effectively capture and remove harmful contaminants from your engine oil. With its high-flow design and synthetic filter media, this oil filter efficiently traps dirt, debris, and metal particles, preventing them from circulating through your engine. By maintaining cleaner oil, the K&N Premium Oil Filter ensures superior engine protection, reducing the risk of premature wear and extending the life of your engine. With its ability to capture even the smallest particles, this oil filter promotes optimal engine performance, allowing your vehicle to run smoothly and efficiently. Thank you for watching my video. If you found it helpful, be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you never miss any of my daily videos. If you're looking for more information or want to know the price of a particular product, check out the description box below. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Remember, life is short, so why not make it easier with cool products?